Before you start crocheting, let's go over the basic tools you will need. Don't worry, you don't need to buy everything at once. First, a crochet hook. This is the main tool you will use to make every stitch. Crochet hooks comes in different sizes, and the size you choose depends on the yarn and the project you are making. Next is yarn. Yarn is what you crochet with. It comes in different color, weight, and materials. If you're a beginner, choose a light colored medium weight yarn because it's much easier to see your stitches. You also need a pair of scissors. Scissors are used to cut your yarn whenever you finish a project or you need to change colors. Next is a yarn needle, also called tapestry needle. These needles can be made of metal or plastic. They have a large eye so yarn can fit through easily. You use them to weave in the loose ends and sew crochet pieces together. Now let's talk about stitch markers. Stitch markers helps you to mark important stitches. They make it easier to know where your row starts or ends, keep track of your increases and decreases, or mark a stitch you don't want to lose. You will also need a tape measure. It helps you check the size of your project so it matches the pattern or fits the person you are making it for. Finally, there is a stitch counter. This tool isn't essential but very helpful. It helps you keep track of your rows and or stitches, especially when you're working on a larger project. And that's it. These are the basic crochet supplies you need to get started. With these tools, you will be ready to begin your crochet journey. And that's it. Follow Crochet Knitcrafts for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials.